In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your JBL headphones app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by updating your JBL headphones app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or errors that you might be experiencing with your JBL headphones app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. You need to access JBL Headphones app through either Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone to find out if we have any update. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store here and open the app, then log in with your Gmail account before you can search for your app by name. So I just search for JBL Headphones like that, and now if I run the search, you can see we have our app here, and there is an update, meaning I've been using an outdated version of these JBL headphones. To update this, now tap on update, and this will download the latest version of JBL Headphones app and then install it on your smartphone. Now once the latest version is installed, you can now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of JBL Headphones app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.